You want to learn how to cook authentic Jamaican stew peas with smoked turkey neck? Well, this is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. To my pot, I'm going to start off with 10 cups of water. Turn on the stove. Going to wash 2 cup red peas. Now add the peas to the pot. 1 teaspoon pimento, 7 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon sea salt. Now cover the pot and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. This is the meat I'm going to use, smoked turkey neck. I just need to clean it up and cut it up. It's already 30 minutes since the peas on the stove cooking. Now I'm going to add the turkey neck. Now I'm going to break the coconut and blend it. And remember, if you cannot get the fresh coconut, you can use the one from the can. You just have to use 2 cans, okay? So I'm just going to cut up the coconut in small pieces so it's easy to blend in the blender. To the blender, I'm going to add 3 cups of water. This is the coconut milk that I got. Now I'm going to add it to the pot. Now I'm going to cover the pot for it to come back to a boil. Add the dumplings. Going to give it a taste. Going to add a little bit all-purpose seasoning. 1 tablespoon green seasoning. Going to add sweet peppers, onion, scallion. Going to add 1 pepper. I'm not going to burst it. Add some carrot. Going to add fresh thyme. Now I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for 20 more minutes. After 20 minutes, the stew peas is ready to serve. So here I have it, authentic Jamaican stew peas without pigtail. Look at this. Going to turn off the stove. So here I have it. I don't eat pork. Don't ask me why I don't use pigtail. Look at this. Nice and tasty.